Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and for today I have another unboxing, another subscription box for March. But before of that, let's go ahead and call the channel of the day. Today is Jessica Bellantin. I hope I'm saying right on the last name. A great friend, an old friend I would say. She is my first subscriber, so great girl. She's posting more on Instagram than YouTube. I hope she's gonna come up with videos very soon on YouTube. And also a big thank you from my part to her. So without anything else for now, let's go ahead and see what's the box for this video. And for this video I have the Allure for March. I just got this today. Same box as usually, small and cute. And let's see the box inside. Comes with the booklet, and here is the box. And as usually we have in the booklet information regarding all the products that are in the box this month. So let's see what's in here. The biggest thing that I see here, actually the biggest box, it's from Simple, and this one is Water Boost Hydrating Gel Cream, which looks like this, and I believe this one is a full size. I think so, I'm not very sure. And here is the product. It has 1.7 ounces. And this one is with minerals and plant extracts. I love Simple products. I used to use those, their makeup wipes. Those are good, work for me very well. And also I tried from them micellar water, which was good also. The next product that I have is from Rouge, if I'm saying right, and this one is ultralight sunscreen fluid. Very small. I believe I just did a review on one of these in one of my samples of the week videos, maybe 2-3 weeks ago, not so sure. Then is this one. We have then Makeup Forever Artist Rouge Cream, and this one is creamy high pigmented lipstick, and the shade of this is Artist Rouge Cream. And let's go ahead, I believe this one is a red. I like this tiny packaging. No, actually this one is a nude. Pretty color. So this one was the Makeup Forever lipstick. We have here also Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation, I believe is this one. And if I remember right, we're supposed to choose a shade. I remember I chose the medium one. They had about 3 or 4 shades. I don't know exactly which one was. It doesn't have a name, it has just a number. It's Y335. It comes with a pump. It's very fluid. And here is the shade. So is this one. I'm just trying to clean this one. So is this one. It's quite pigmented, looks like this. I believe this one has a great coverage. We'll see. Then another item in my box, actually in all the boxes, is from Laneige. This one is Water Sleeping Mask. Here is the box, and let's see the product, which looks like this. very tiny, but you can get couple of good usage from this one. Okay. Then another product here is this one, which is from Aeco, if I'm saying right, London. And this one is waterproof lash enhancing carbon black. It's a liquid eyeliner. This brand comes very often in beauty boxes, and also it's a very pigmented eyeliner. So it's a travel size, it's a small size, but that one will last a long time, at least for me. Then the last item in my box, it's Oribe. This one is Freestyler Working Hairspray. So I think it's the first time when I'm getting a hairspray from Oribe. I usually got the dry shampoo, but this one is great to have it on my collection. So yeah, another good product. So far we have 2, 4, 6, 7 products this month. Is the Oribe hairspray, is the simple hydrating gel cream, is the Laneige water sleeping mask, is the Makeup Forever Artist Rouge lipstick, Aeco eyeliner, Makeup Forever foundation, and La Roche-Posay sunscreen. So far is a good box. I like the box. I'm gonna try to see how is each product. If you wanna know about them or things like that, just let me know and I will put them in the samples of the week. That's kind of all for this video. Thank you so much for being here again. Thank you so much for your comments. And let's remember the channel of the day, which is Jessica Bellandin. Please subscribe to her, and I hope this will encourage her to post pretty soon on YouTube too, not just Instagram. So again, thank you so much for watching. You have a great day. See you soon. Bye bye.